own brand and you are unique and one of your own kind. So brand yourself exclusively. Why we are here? Why we are here? Sometimes it is in a big confusion. We don't know about our values because they might be not so trendy and popular, but they have their own significance. So we should answer it very precisely that why we are here, what is the reason of being here. If you will not uncover your values will be hidden and you will not be able to act on your dreams. So to know who you are, it is extremely important, and how to brand yourself, it is more important. So I will tell you in this video how to brand yourself. So millions of the time people have question in their mind that why I have been here, what I'll do, what the millions of people are looking in me, what I will do standing on this podium and how I will answer this. So in this video I will tell you all those things which will help you to know your brand, to make your brand, and to understand your brand. Now, talking about what is your personal brand is what you are, your personality, your gesture, how you talk, what you know, your knowledge, your innovation, your creativity, everything what is inside you is your personal brand. Only the thing you have to do is you knowing your brand, making your brand, and understanding it and branding it exclusively with me. Hey, this is Dr. Sapna and you're watching my talk. Today we'll talk about how to brand your values. Your values and goals are entirely different. Goals define the outcome, and don't leave your values covered by your thoughts, beliefs, and negativity. Trust me, whatever you offer is worthy enough. Everyone has ability due to confidence you have. Everyone should learn how to successful brand itself. So what happens, your preferences and your identity are the two factors which are very important. Your preferences, what you want, and your identity, who you are, they are basically featured on your capabilities, your innovation, your creativity, your foundation, your passion, your dreams, and the cumulative offer is your result. So in this video we'll discuss about all the preferences and identity, whatever we can explore. So first thing which we have to decide is defining the message and media through which we can communicate the people. This first thing is entirely difficult because many people think that what message they can deliver. That message you have to find yourself depending on your preferences and your identity. Next thing is defining the media through which you can communicate your personal information or your brand. This media will really determine, and before doing it, take care that you have to post relevant things so that people can like your work. Next thing is defining the problem you can solve. What problem you can solve? It is very easy to write an entire book what you can do, but then you have to define your work in one word. In one word, you have to define that what all work you can do. So this is a litmus test. Believe me, that is a one-shot game in which you have to determine the problem you can solve. Now, what is the need of reinventing your brand? See, we are living in this world which is continuously evolving and moving. We are in the era of Facebook, Google, Instagram, LinkedIn, where people are continuously exploring themselves. So we are not in 1906 that will not do it. Every day you have chance to reinvent and realign yourself. Reinvent as often as you can. Confidence is a most important part of your entity, and working towards something which you value will entirely change your life in a great way. Think about doing the things which you are passionate about, and you can do it exclusively. No one else can do it as you can do it. And best part of it is you can do anything you love to do and you're passionate about it. So discover your uniqueness, discover your experiences. You might have heard that I survived because of the fire inside me was more than the fire burning outside. So survive at the fullest and fulfill your dreams at most to brand yourself, and reinvention will play a great role in it. People have the myth that self-promotion is a bad thing, it's a boasting. No, it is entirely required. Whatever you have, you should be there to tell the people about your qualities, about your passions, and about your innovation and creativity. So self-branding is very important, and apart from it, continuously reinventing yourself is the need of our. Believe me, branding pays off, and you can do it exclusively for yourself. Now it is a 5-step procedure how you can do it. First thing is your positioning, your rational values. Second thing, the message which you float. It is entirely important what message you are flowing, because it should solve the problem of people. Third thing is your strategies, how you brand itself. Either it is a revolving with a wonderful cake and icing and it has 360-degree approach. Fourth thing is your ecosystem. What are the influences around you? And final thing is your action plan, and exclusively put your things in entirely exclusive manner, how you do it for yourself and brand yourself. This was all about today's video. In next video, I will continue the branding procedure.